This video is about changing the oven element of a Frigidaire FEF 312B. Sorry about the sound, but it's a rental unit we inherited and it's empty right now, so there's a lot of echo. So changing the element is fairly simple. We're going to remove the old one and install the new one. I ordered this on Amazon. There's a link below. I ordered about 2 or 3 days ago. It's already here and ready to install. It came, it's not broken, it's ready to go. You have to practice some safety and unplug the unit. Now we can't get electrocuted. As you can see, the problem is obvious. This thing is broken in half. So we have to get these fasteners out, which appear to be some high torques, and it should just pull straight out. Looking at the new one, there seems to be electrical tabs, so there may be a wire we'll have to attach to each one of those. I'm not sure. So what we're going to do is try to get those fasteners off now. Okay, I was wrong. They are not high torques. They're not star bits. They are, I don't know if you can see this or not. They're like Allen wrench heads and very, very small ones. So we're gonna have to use the drill. Just as expected, there's a red and a yellow wire that just slides on to the new one. There it's installed. Who beat Georgia?
Alabama beat Georgia.
Oh, there we go. We got heat. We have one fixed oven. And that's all I'm gonna do. Turn it back off. Call it done.
Yeah.
In summary, we thought that we were gonna have to spend $100 on a used one or $400 on a new one for up here to rent it out. And in fact, that coil cost $30 on Amazon Prime, free shipping. Like I said, it took 2 or 3 days. Very happy with it so far. Let's see if the tenant likes it. Thanks for watching.